Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to resolve this issue. A friend of mine bought this PC and actually got stuck from here. So I'm going to show you how to resolve this. You're going to click Ctrl Alt Delete to restart the PC. Then when the computer restarts, you're going to click F2 so that we go to the boot menu. To the BIOS system. So when you go to the BIOS system, I'm going to go ahead and go to main. This side, sorry about that, main. Then I click my arrow, then I'll go to boot, then I'll enable legacy support, then I'll click OK, then I'll click F10 to save changes, and then our computer will reboot. I'm going to click enter, then our computer will reboot and it will be good to go, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for the computer to go on, and then it's going to start loading our windows, and then everything will work out very well, as you can see. So I'm going to stop from here. We have resolved the issue, and thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload this video like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.